Hi everybody, I'm Addie. I'm going on the world race and this is my packing video. Okay, for starters, here's how it works. I am bringing 2 packs with me. This one is a not big. This one is a big Osprey Aura AG 65 liter technical pack. And then this one is a smaller Parkland day pack. This is the checked baggage. And then this is what comes on with me. Okay, so starting out this pack, in the very bottom, we're going to start with my insulated AirCore Ultra Big Agnes sleeping pad. This is like a blow-up air mattress. And it's really small. It's gonna go way down in the very bottom. Okay, then my bamboo sleeping liner thing. It's like this. It's really soft and slinky. It's like a sheet for nights when it's too hot to use a sleeping bag. That goes right down in there next to that one. And then this is my smallest packing cube for clothes. This one's for like socks and undies and stuff. And that one's going right down there also. And then next to all of those is my first aid kit. Ideally, during the day, I want to be able to carry this around in my day pack. But when I'm flying, there are a few things that are liquid in here, so I'm just going to go ahead and check it. And that goes way down in the bottom there. There's also another opening in my backpack right here, so all of these things are really easily accessible at the bottom of the pack. Then I'm also going to put this little thing. This has got stuff like my wrinkle releaser, something for the shoe smell, and a brush to clean the shoes. Just so we always look clean and well put together. Okay, next in are my compression sacks. This one, they're both 10-liter compression sacks. This one has my tent, rainfly, footprint, everything in here. And that one's going to go down in first. And then right next to it is my sleeping bag, which is in this one. And that goes in there second. Okay, so when those are both down in there, because they're cylinders, there's lots of like gaps around them, right? So I'm going to fill in the gaps with stuff like this. This is my travel towel. It's a Turkish towel, not a travel towel, but I think it works kind of better than a travel towel because I don't like those microfiber ones. It goes down in there. A little laundry bag's going to go down in there. And then my big fluffy Patagonia thing. That's going to go way down in there too. Oh my gosh. In case anyone hasn't noticed yet, I am not a professional backpacker. Okay. There we go. It fits. Okay. Next, on top of all those things, I'm going to stick this. I'll explain what this is in a minute, but it's basically another bag. And that's just going to go kind of against the wall in here so that when I put in these packing cubes, it's not in the way. So these 2 packing cubes are Eagle Creek size large, and they have all of my clothes in them. All of my clothes. So bottoms are in here, tops are in here. And I'm just going to put those in. Like so. Okay. Shove it all down in there. Whew. Okay. Next. If I can remember what I'm doing. Next, I'll explain what these are in a minute also, but these are my photo paper. And I'm going to put them in the little pocket in here so they stay kind of tucked in and safe. Then there's still lots of little like gaps and cracks, and I'm going to fill those in. I've got a beanie just in case. Going down on this side. Malaria medicine going down on. Oh no, it's not. JK. That has to go in my checked baggage. These are my tent poles. They're gonna go down in these pockets right on the front of the pack right there. And tent stakes going on the other side. All of my toiletries are in this one. That just sits right on top. And these are some pens and tape and stuff like that. And that's also gonna go right next to that. Cinch that baby up. And then strap it down. On the outside, putting my Tevas down in here. And then my sneakers are going one in each side pocket. I also have a travel mug, and that's gonna hook to the outside too. But it's missing. Okay, and then the last thing that goes on the outside is this pack duffel. I got the REI one. It's the cheapest. It's also kind of the simplest, to put it kindly. But it does the job, and it's fine. So I'm just going to strap this to the outside. What it's for is a big bag to put this bag in for when you're going through the airport, because you don't want all these little like bells and whistles to get stuck on the conveyor belt. So this just puts everything together and you put it through security. And that's it for the big pack. Okay, get this out of the way. I just clearly don't even know what I'm doing, but it's funny.
These bloopers.
Are you still filming? That's fine. I don't! Disclaimer, if you're still filming. This is the disclaimer, for real. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just showing you how I am packing for my world race. Everybody does it differently. If you're going, you're gonna do it differently. If you're like a professional backpacker, you're definitely gonna do it differently. This is just for people who might be curious. That's all. Next pack. Now it is time for the little pack. So, standard travel rules apply. Anything you want in your carry-on is the stuff that's like valuable, important. So there is a lot that has to fit in this guy, especially because I'm taking camera equipment with me and stuff like that. So let's get started. First, in the biggest pocket, there's a laptop sleeve. So this baby is going straight in there. This is my MacBook and its little sleeve. It's going right in the laptop compartment. Also in that compartment, to keep it safe, is this giant mirror.
Go up. Hey y'all.
I probably should have gotten an unbreakable mirror, but I'm running out of time to buy things. So I'm probably just going to stick with this one until it breaks and then get another one. But it's just going right down in the laptop sleeve behind my computer. I am facing it the other way in case it does break. Nothing cuts my computer. Okay, next up is my honkin' Bible. Believe it or not, this is the personal sized, travel size ESV study Bible. But it's like traveling with a textbook and a concordance and a Bible all at the same time. And lots of us could use it to study while we're out and about. So it's just really good to have. And then my journal, it says "The world is waiting." This was a really sweet gift from Madeline and her family. So thank you guys so much. And that's going to go right in here. And then also still on the very bottom is this little pack. In here I've got 2 little hard drives. They're both the lacy kind and they are 1 terabyte each. Doubles because you gotta back up your backups, guys. You don't want to lose all of your footage. So I'm bringing 2. Also got some USB drives. This is a power bank that can charge your phone like 4 times. All of that's going in there. It's also got some headphones in this pocket, stuff like that. That goes down in there, nice and safe. Okay. Then, kind of leaves a gap on this end so you can put tall things. I am bringing a power strip because, as you can see, I have a million electronics and I only have one little power adapter thing. So you can plug this into the wall, plug the power strip into the adapter, and suddenly I can charge all of my things at once. So that's going in there. Next, that also goes in there is my little camera tripod, which is currently being used.
Get the mirror out.
Well, bam! Can you see it?
Okay, wait. Yeah, so that's the
giant mirror comes in handy, folks. That's the little tripod. You can see it. That's the camera. That's the mic. All of these things are about to fit into this bag. Then, this is the little insert that's going to hold all my camera stuff. So right now, it's pretty empty because I'm using everything to film this video. But this is what it looks like. Camera goes here. This is an additional little viewfinder thing that I can use. Charger and extra battery are right here. Microphone goes here. And then this is what all of that photo paper was for. I've even got another one in here. So this is one of those travel photo printers, so I can connect it with USB to my phone and then it prints out little photos. So they'd be really good gifts for people that you meet around and you don't have time to print out pictures for them, but you can literally like print a picture from this right there and give it to people as gifts, which I think is super sweet. So I have that right there. Yeah. This goes into that blue bag that I showed you that went in the big pack, and I'll put in a clip soon of how that works too. So basically that can work as an even smaller little pack when I don't want to carry around this huge thing, but I still want to bring my camera places. So this whole thing sits right on top of that Bible layer with all of those other things, okay? Then only very light stuff is going to go on top of this, like my rain jacket. This is my rain jacket. I shoved it in this little pouch because it just makes it easier to get in and out. There's something to be said for like not putting everything in little baggies, but I just think it makes it easier and it's easier to get to. So I threw it in that, put it on top, and then my sunglass case is also just going right on top. In this next pocket, we're going to start with a spare change of clothes. Always travel with a spare change of clothes in your carry-on because you never know what's going to happen. Ginger chews because I get nauseous. Cough drops, an eye mask for sleeping on the plane, a spork. Oh, this is going to go in the front pocket right here, just in case you don't have utensils, which is probably going to happen. Baby wipes, going to go in there. Yeah, computer charger and my phone charger, which I don't have yet because it's still plugged into the wall somewhere. Going to go in there. Malaria medicine. And then this is all of the liquids that I am bringing on the plane in their handy dandy little clear pouch. Stuff like deodorant, toothpaste, saline spray because my nose gets really dry on airplanes, stuff like that. Okay. Then I have this other little journal that was also a gift from my friend Tori, which is so sweet. I'm going to tuck that into this little side pocket here. And then of course also in this thing I'm going to have like documents, passport, stuff like that, but that's not here yet. And then this little guy is just an extra little bag, so it becomes like a little tote bag, which is just handy to have around. You don't know. Maybe I'll use it for laundry, maybe I'll use it to bring my stuff back and forth, maybe I'll use it to buy groceries. I really don't know. But I'm just going to clip that to the front right there. Alright, and that is the day pack. If you are going on the world race, I will say the things that I found most overwhelming at the beginning was like what exactly I should get, like what kind of gear and stuff. So I'm going to be doing a blog post on my world race blog that has brand names, exact model names, everything of what I chose to bring, and that might be more helpful and more detailed. The other thing I would say is start shopping early so that you can wait for deals and you can wait for sales and coupons and stuff like this. I paid full price for these Tevas and absolutely nothing else. Everything else I got on sale or with a coupon or with a gift card. So, yeah, just start shopping really early and just take it slow and buy a couple things at a time. And yeah, I think that's it. It all works somehow and it all fits. And oh, I think in the end, my big pack is currently about 30 pounds and I want it to be less, so I'm working on ways to shave that off. And then I don't know how much my day pack weighs, but yeah, there you go. Thanks for watching, guys.